Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
Well, that came out of nowhere, didn't it? And I think I just finished catching South Carolina's like 5 minutes ago, as you saw the video, like I posted 5 minutes ago. I just caught North Carolina's tornado drill out of absolutely nowhere. Probably should have waited to upload that. But you will see a replay of that, because that was a sort of fail, so you're about to see North Carolina's and South Carolina's, so that was very interesting. And I hope WMNC relays it. I've got it on my Echo. And yes, I proceeded back to the previous recording that I recorded earlier. This is the drill I caught earlier. This is a first for me, you guys. Like, literally, this is a first. You may be hearing this radio go off later today, by the way, the HH5450, excuse me, HH54BP. Oh my goodness, I'm just psyched right now, because that is a first for me. Like, I have literally never in my life caught 2 drills in one day. Like, I just uploaded South Carolina's, and now I'm going to have to upload North Carolina's. Right now I'm just waiting to see if WMNC is going to relay it. If so, they're going to do it within the next 6 minutes.
For Friday night, mostly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers. Lows in the mid-30s. Saturday, partly cloudy. Highs around 50. For Saturday night, partly cloudy with a 20% chance of rain showers and snow showers. Lows in the lower 30s. Sunday, partly cloudy with chance of rain showers, possibly mixed with snow showers. Highs in the upper 40s. Chance of precipitation 30%. For Sunday night, mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain showers, possibly mixed with snow showers. Lows in the mid-30s. Monday, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of rain showers, possibly mixed with snow showers. Highs in the lower 50s. For Monday night, Mostly cloudy with a 40% chance of rain showers. Lows in the upper 30s. Tuesday, partly cloudy with a 20%
And yes, I'm reading
chance of
something
rain
while
showers.
I'm waiting for
Highs
WMNC.
in the mid-50s. The 8 to 14-day outlook for Wednesday, March 17th through Tuesday.
I think WMNC is on a 15-minute delay.
We're across Indiana.
This is very awkward. Tornado drill tour schedule again on the 16th. I actually do not know if Kentucky's tornado drill was last week or this week, so I'm gonna see if I can catch that. That'll be another drill to upload, so I could be uploading 3 videos. Actually, I will be uploading 3 videos today. Because I'm gonna be catching one of 2 or both required weekly tests. I'm gonna try my best on my local one, but probably won't get it because I'm experiencing technical difficulties with the recording device. Then on the 16th, we have Indiana's tornado drill. I think it's the 18th. I'm still trying to get confirmation on that. Indiana's required monthly test. Actually, I might be uploading a video tomorrow of severe weather, but we'll see, because it's not looking like it. But I got a update from one of my friends who follows the National Weather Service about potential hail in Oklahoma, and I think I can get a station that will get that, so we'll see on that. The 16th is Indiana's tornado drill, my area. Then the 18th is the required monthly test for our area. 16th is Indiana's. The 24th, Michigan, South Dakota, Michigan, Iowa, Nebraska. And Michigan, I said Michigan, Ohio. The 7th of April is Maryland. The 15th of April is Wisconsin, Minnesota, twice. So that's going to be a journey. That is definitely going to be a journey. Then, oh shoot, I swear there's one on like April 12th or something. And then it's like May 12th is Iowa's tornado drill. I actually missed a couple tornado drills. One of them I wouldn't have been able to catch anyway, which was Florida's. I cannot get any Florida stations. On Georgia's, I just completely missed it, because I don't even know if I was in school that day.
Colder. Rain showers likely and slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then partly cloudy with chance of rain showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 40s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts to around 30 miles an hour, shifting to the north.
Very strange. Okay, if WMNC is on a 15-minute delay, they're going to relay it like now. But they're just not going to relay it.
Stop recording. Button. Camera. Stop recording. Button.
I don't know. I don't think they will. But yeah, today has been a lot of firsts for me, so that's going to do it.